these are the colors, children, which you need. You need black, yellow, orange, light blue and gray. So the first thing what we will do is, let's just take orange quickly, keep these aside, and let's just do the outline of the orange. So as you all have done the outline with black sketch pen, now what we will do is, as you can see, I am doing the filling inside, that the color should not come out. As you know, this is very important. So the first thing we will do is the top left corner. Whenever we start, children, this is very important. We always start from top left corner so that the work looks neat and our hand doesn't touch the top portion anymore, so it will be neat. The sheet will be neat, it will not gonna mix with each other. So as you can see, I am using these colors, and I have used now this, and I need blue. So there it is, sea green some kind of, but we will do the outline and we will do it light, children, as you have already done on page number where you have learnt the different styles of shading. Same way this has to be light. As you can see, I'm using light blue, and this light blue also I'm doing it very light. Okay, so let's just quickly finish light blue. And this is a small window, so I am in a slanting way. You can see my hand is moving in slanting way, and no patch, and white area is completely covered of the window, see. And same I am doing over here. Okay, so this is done, the coloring is done. Okay, so full light portion is done. Now I will pick up orange and fill this. So this you don't have to do it in slanting, just fill it according to the space. Now as you can see, this is a sleeping way, so I am filling it horizontally. This is again slanting. Okay, and this again horizontal, this also horizontal, and this is vertical. So I hope you enjoyed the drawing, and hope while watching this you are enjoying the coloring also. Now what is next? Now what we will do is, we will pick up our light color. Now this we have assigned, okay, this is a yellow color which we will be using. So I have just done the filling and yellow is done. Now we need red also, I have just realized. So I am picking up my red color, and this is the area where we will be doing red, and the back side. So no need to do the outline, it is very small. So when you fill it, but better ensure, children, when you are filling it, it should be neat. Okay, so after completing, black will be last, so we will not going to do anything with the black right now. Again, pick up your orange, mark your corners. Okay, this is the place where our orange is. If you wish to change the color, if you want to change the color of the car, you can change, you can bring it to your favorite color, but remember, this should look like a nice car. So this orange, if you want to change, so wherever I have done orange, you can do any other color, whichever you like. Okay, so as you can see, so that will be your favorite car color, can be. Okay, but don't do black because it will look very black, so don't do black, but you pick up any color apart from black. So this is the area where our orange will going to be. So let's complete the first one here. So as you know, I always do slanting, and I want you also to do slanting. You can see my hand is moving towards completely slanting way, children, and you can notice, see, there is no white space, so don't fill any. Now this is supposed to be gray, so here is our gray color directly. Now again come up, do the filling of these colors, then again come down, we have to select little area only, children. We will not gonna move our hand like this and fill full like this. It will not look nice. So I want you to make it very neat. Small areas we will cover, and then once that area is neat, then we will move to another area. So we will leave this because this is the handle. So again, slanting, very good, like this you have to do it. And again slanting. Children, when we do slanting colors, it comes out very neatly until and unless there is a different shape altogether. So as you are in grade 2, we are following step by step light style of coloring. It is slanting. Even if you become into 4, once you join 4th grade, 5th grade, then also you will be doing this style of coloring as a slanting way. It makes our work look very neat, children. So remember, always fill like this. I will teach you another styles of coloring also, but this is how we do it. Okay, so yeah, like this we have completed our car color. Now you, as discussed, that the black will be at the last, so let's complete the gray portion. So this is our gray. So first make the circle and fill it. First make the circle and fill it. So our gray is done, only the black color is left out. So what we will do is, now fill the black here, fill the black here. Now we will fill it. So already the outline is black. If you want, you can fill it properly inside and then fill the color. But children, I want you to follow each step, each and every step, one after the other, and make it extremely neat. For this you don't need anybody's help. You can do it all by yourself, following these instructions what I'm telling you, children. And I want each one of you to upload the work in Google Classroom. If you're not able to upload in the Google Classroom, what will you do? You will upload via mail. You can send me the mail, but no need for WhatsApp. Okay, you can simply send the mail on my Gmail address. You already know how to send if there is any problem in Google, but no need to send in all different ways. Okay, once in Google Classroom